Hey guys, this is Jason Guyman. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me very good. I'm right here on the road, but today I wanted to show you how to install Christmas lights on a bigger bush. This isn't just a small bush. This is kind of it's probably 5 foot wide and 4 foot tall. So it's a bigger bush. So that's my video today. So please like, subscribe. I don't care about liking. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow it to 500, and I'd appreciate that very much. So first thing you want to do is, if they're not brand new lights, is you want to test the lights. You want to make sure they are working, and you want to make sure there's no bulbs out. The last thing you want to do is go and put all these lights on and they don't work. So test them. If they're more than a year old, if they're not brand new, test them. It's better to test besides putting them on. So the first thing we want to do is, we don't really want to tape this in. We want water to get out of it. So we're going to shove this down in the top of the bush. That way, if snow gets on it, it's just going to go right down in underneath of it. And then we're going to start with a circular motion around the top of this bush. All right. And I'll show you the picture of the top when we're done here, so you will be able to see it. And we're going to just do a nice thing. And we're going to try to keep them with about probably a hand's length around. Evergreen, they don't really show up if you make them too loose. Not try to spare on the lights that usually help you. All right. And when you're working on the road, make sure you don't get hit by a car. That might hurt a lot. Okay, so we got this bush wrapped. I'm going to show you the top here. We're about, a hand. That's where we want to be at. We want them with these evergreen bushes. If you are wider than that, it's not going to look very good. But where this is an evergreen bush, about every 6 inches, about the length from your wrist to the fingers. And that's where I like putting them. And that will make that tree bush look really good. Now, this is a bigger bush, so it is, you can see how many wraps I went on there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just now, that bush is, 5 foot tall. So, but it's not actually, I'm standing there, it's probably about 3 feet tall. So, put the lights on it. When the snow comes, if you have snow, it really looks cool. So, please subscribe to my channel, and hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please ask below. Thanks.